Hello friends, in this video I will repair this speaker. I can tell this had a very hard life because of what it looks. You can see a lot of cracks. This is moving, and if I move that I can hear a lot of parts inside. Now first of all, let's take these two small pieces and see what we have inside. So that's the inside. Let's check the box. I don't know anything about this speaker. I have to power this on and check. I believe this is the battery. Now let's analyze this board. We have here the player, the settings, external DC in. I presume that's the battery. First of all, let's check this battery. I believe that's 3S and 3 series and 2 parallel laptop batteries. I don't know if this has a BMS. Let's check the voltage. Battery is dead. Let's put to power supply to charge the battery. I will put 14 volts and 1 amp. You can see first problem is that this power connector is broken. I will have to unsolder this. This is the first problem. I will put this to external 12 volts to see if it's working. Let's power this on, and I have 0.2 amps power consumption. Now let's connect a speaker. It seems it's working.
Auto scan. Line in. Bluetooth mode. Radio mode. Line in.
It seems that it's working. I have to replace this power connector. I have to take this box to pieces and solve the problem with the handle. And after that I will put everything back. It seems that this is a simple job. Now you can see the inside of this speaker. This is the speaker part. We have the tweeter and we have the speaker for low frequency. It's a 6 ohm and I presume 30 or 40 watts. this is the other part. As you can see, this is broken and it's hard to repair and it's not necessary, and I will take completely out. Now you can see the inside after the mask. As you can see, it's very dirty, and now I have to wash this. I took out all the sensitive part. This is the speaker. It's also very dirty, and I will clean this. Now you can see closer. This charger connector, it's broken. I have to take this out and replace with another one. Now let's put everything back. I forgot to check the pins of the potentiometers, because sometimes welding it's not good enough, but now it's good. Now I put everything back. Let's test. Yes, it's working. Now I have to clean this module and put everything back. Now let's put the speaker back. Now this front part is ready. It's in good shape. Now let's take off the back part. As you can see, there are some cracks here, and I will solve that cracks with a hot glue gun, because otherwise sound will not be good. Now I've prepared all the parts. You can see here I use the hot plastic to repair that cracks. It's not looking perfect, but it's looking good. And here I put these pieces to cover the hole. I cannot clear perfectly because here are a lot of scratches. Now let's put everything back. These parts also it's looking good. Now let's put the battery pack. Now let's make a test.
Next station.
It seems it's working. Now let's make the final test. Here you can see the power supply and the consumption. And here is the speaker. I can tell you that I am happy with this result, and if you made it so far, please give a big like. If you have any questions, please put it in a comment. See you in my next video. Bye.